In today's video, I'm going to teach you Zoho CRM how to search. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to find what you need and navigate the key areas that help you narrow down results. Start on the Zoho CRM homepage. This is your command center. You'll see dashboards, recent items, and the global search bar at the top. Make sure you're on the correct organization and that you have the right permissions before you begin. Head to the search bar and click into it. Type a name or a keyword related to what you're looking for. This could be a contact, an account, a deal name, or a product keyword. Keep your query focused and clear. As you type, Zoho CRM will suggest matches. You can pick one, or press Enter to view the full results. If your organization uses consistent naming, stick to those conventions to improve accuracy. Next, let's focus your search by module. Open the sales area. This is where you'll find leads, contacts, accounts, and deals. If your search is about a person or a pipeline opportunity, reviewing results here gives you the most relevant context, like stages and owners. Move into activities to look for tasks, calls, and events tied to your search. This is especially useful if you're tracking follow-ups or checking whether someone on the team has already engaged with a record. If your keyword relates to items you sell, hop over to Inventory. This section surfaces products, price lists, and related records. It's a great way to confirm product details when you're preparing quotes or answering customer questions. For customer communications or help-related topics, switch to Support. You'll see tickets and solutions connected to your search term, which helps you trace issue history and responses. If your search touches other apps or connected tools, open Integrations. While you won't manage external systems here, this perspective helps you confirm whether records you're seeing are synced from elsewhere. Explore Services when your search involves service offerings or delivery details. This is helpful for teams that manage service contracts or ongoing engagements. If your work includes deliverables and timelines, check Projects. You can confirm project names and associations tied to your search and quickly orient yourself to current progress. When you've found what you need, return to home. From here, you can continue with a different task or log out if you're done for the day. A quick reminder, only search and open records you're authorized to view and never paste sensitive data into the search bar. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.